Hey there, YouTube. Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com. That's the website. Go check it out. But of course, do that in a little bit. Right now, we are going to check out an awesome new product. Dawud Islam has put this thing out. It's called the Halloween Method. Holy cow. That's right, the Halloween Method. Just in time for that lovely holiday we all love. Maybe not so much this year with all the COVID stuff going on, but hey, who doesn't love Halloween? And this product is crazy good. So right now, we're on my bonus page. We're going to go over the bonus page real fast. And we're going to check out the bonuses. Actually, you're going to have to wait for the bonuses this time. Just for a few minutes. I've got 8 different bonuses set up for you on this one. So you're not going to want to go anywhere. You're going to want to stick around so you'll see what I have to offer for you. Like I said, we're on the bonus page. This is the bonus page. Ooh, yeah. Exactly. All right, so this is the Halloween Method, and what you're going to get, it's an easy to follow over-the-shoulder video training. Everything can be set up in just 10 minutes. And then there's no tech skills needed, no list needed. This actually is used to build a monstrous list. You can use this and you can just go crazy. You're going to be able to build a huge list with this product. It's crazy what this is. Literally crazy. Exactly. Let's see. So it works for stone cold newbies and ancient experienced marketers. The same either way. Rinse and repeat for daily profits on demand. And then there's the 30-day money back guarantee. But you got to act quickly. After midnight on the launch day, it's going to go away. And I have to take him at his word. I can't say that it's going to last longer than the end of launch. And the end of launch is midnight on October 27th. So you're going to want to click on some of these big red and orange buttons on this page. And the link, as usual, is down in the description below. Right down there. Click on it, get to this page. Click on the big red buttons. Check out the bonuses I have for you. And pick up your copy of the Halloween Method right away. Yeah, you don't want to waste any time on this one. So we'll go over the pricing funnel in a little bit, and we'll kind of go over the some of the other features on this bonus page. These are a quick peek at the bonuses I have lined up for you. So yeah, you don't want to miss this. So stick around. We'll be right back. Alright, so like I said, we are on the bonus page. I won't keep you in suspense any longer. We're going to check out the bonuses, and then you're going to want to stick around, look inside this product, because it's crazy amazing. Let's see. So for the bonuses, these are the bonuses. Get the Halloween Method now via any of the links on the page. And these are the big buttons that you're going to want to go to. Click on any of these buttons. It's going to take you to this to the sales page. And what you're going to get for bonus number 1, you're going to get some effortless Facebook profits. This is a Facebook ads training. Bonus number 2 is a super hack, everything you need to know about making videos so you can get some of that organic traffic that you can get from making videos on YouTube. And you don't necessarily have to show your face. You can make videos and keep your face all out of it. Maybe you look like a ghoul. I'm not saying that's ugly, but hey, if you don't want to be on camera, you don't have to be on camera. So bonus number 3 is AdWords retargeting tutorial. So you're going to get access to that. You're going to learn a little bit about all kinds of different traffic methods in here. You're going to get a whole bunch of that inside the members area, but I'm throwing some additional bonus traffic stuff as well. So you're going to be covered traffic wise. You're not going to want for traffic training on this one. So the 4th bonus I have for you is Bing Ads Mastery course. The 5th bonus I have for you our urgency suite. So this kind of is email. So this is all kind of part of building a list. So this product will help you have some urgency features that you can throw in your emails and make it so that, you know, hey, you don't want to miss it. Click now, right? Okay. So bonus number 6 is Lazy Man's Gold Mine. Bonus number 7 is the Lost Code, some funnel training. Bonus number 8 is Fuego Breakout. And then bonus number 9 are all the vendor bonuses that you're going to get inside the members area, and we'll cover those on the sales page, and I'll show you where they're at inside the dashboard. So there you have it. That is all the bonuses that I have for you. There's a ton of them. Your little trick-or-treat jack-o'-lantern thing that you carry around just got full. It's running over. It's that full. And when I show you the rest of this stuff, it's overflowing. So let's get back to the product. Well, let's jump over to the sales page real fast. This is the sales page. It's a pretty simple and short sales page, which is nice. You know, you don't have to scroll down a million miles to get down to this thing. But basically, you know, there's some income proof. It goes over all the features. These are the bonuses you're going to get. So you're going to get 0 to 100 in 24 hours. That's bonus number 1 from the vendor. You're going to get another Facebook traffic, $100 a day using free Facebook traffic. The other one's kind of on the paid side. Bonus number 3 is from the vendor, 8 top high ticket programs. So you can get into these and start making some big commissions. You're going to get CPA Income Crusher. So you can crush your earnings with CPA. CPA, if you didn't know, is cost per action. So you get someone to click, download, click and submit their email. You can get paid from other people for that kind of an action. And then bonus number 5 is Easy Passive Paydays, and that you're going to get all, these are all the bonuses from the vendor. So let me jump into the dashboard. Now this is crazy here. So this is the dashboard, and part of this is Animal Kingdom Anarchy. And so what this is you're going to get 35, that's right, 35 different training programs. You're going to get a bunch of Dawad stuff. You're going to get all these. So you're going to get a massive amount of training from Dawad, and then you're going to get all these other training programs from a bunch of other affiliate marketers that they've created. And so that's just crazy. Like I said, overflowing. Basically what you're going to get to do is you're going to get trained. That's a bunch of over-the-shoulder training stuff. And so what you're going to get to do is you're going to get to give away Animal Kingdom Anarchy to help build your list. And so getting a hold of it is easy. You're going to get automatic approval. So all you have to do is put in the phrase that pays, and they provide that to you. You can get access to 100% free giveaway rights for Animal Kingdom Anarchy and use it to help build your list. And like I said, that's crazy. You're going to be able to give away these 35 different products for free. And then if anybody takes advantage of any of the upsells, you're going to get 100% commission on all those upsells, except for upsell number 5, which is launch a product with him. And that one, it's a high ticket item, so it's $997 for if someone takes advantage of that upsell, and you'll get half of that. So the potential to earn some crazy amount of commission is just unbelievable. And so that's all it is. You know, you put in your little your phrase that pays, click the request button, and they will approve you. And so I get auto approval from Dawad. And so you might have to wait a little bit, but basically I'm not sure if they have that little phrase that pays kind of robotic recognition or something, so you'll get automatic approval, or you might have to wait a little bit. But the thing is, you'll get approved. It's guaranteed. And then you can also sign up for the paid offer, and I'm already approved to do that as well. And then you can actually promote the Animal Kingdom Anarchy on its own and sell it. And so, you can go about it a couple different ways. You can give it away, and then you can also market the product itself and get the commissions on it. So on the front end offer. And so it's a crazy deal. So he goes over a bunch of different methods for using this. This is where you get access to the Animal Kingdom Anarchy. You're going to get free squeeze pages. So you click on this link and you're going to get over to this page where you're going to get access to a bunch of squeeze pages. So as I scroll down here, you're going to see some of the squeeze pages that you're going to have access to. And there's a whole bunch of them that you can utilize to make this system work. They're mobile adaptive, so a lot of people nowadays are on their telephones, and a lot of these squeeze pages are set up to show up on a mobile device very nicely. These are the squeeze page templates. You're going to love these things. You're going to get 10 responsive squeeze pages, and that's if you pay $3.97, and you'll get to resell those too. And it works with all the autoresponders, simple 5-minute customization, designed with the latest HTML codes. So they're going to work pretty well for you. But if you don't want to purchase buy the $3.97 version, you can get to just some free templates, so you don't have to invest any further. So then you also have access to the Halloween method squeeze pages. So you click on that, you click here, and then you download a bunch of squeeze pages basically related to this product and set up for this product. Let's see, so there's the conclusion video. There's also all your bonuses are in here. You just click on these and access them via that way. There is an unadvertised bonus. So you can see there is a ton of stuff with this product. Don't pass it up. You'd be crazy. That's right. So let's jump back over to, let's see, we've looked at everything now. Oh, there is a pro version. You're going to get a bunch of bonus codes for advertising credits probably. You're going to get some free marketing resources. You're going to get a scarcity bar generator, a countdown generator, and the exit pop-up generator. And those are part of an upsell. In here, you're going to get a bunch of, well, actually, you're going to get access to all those products inside Animal Kingdom Anarchy, and inside they're going to train you a whole bunch of stuff. There's training on how to use these free mailers and all kinds of different stuff. It's a crazy amount of product and information that you're going to get access to, and then you're going to be able to turn around and give it away and build your list and build a monstrous list. So here we are back on the bonus page, and once again the link is down in the description below. Click on it, it's going to take you to the sales page. No, actually, click on it, it's going to take you to this bonus page, and then you can click on any of these big yellow orange buttons and go to the sales page to pick up your copy of the Halloween method right away. Don't miss out on this. It's a valuable product. So let's go over the funnel real fast. The front end offer, of course, I kind of showed you everything that you're going to get in there. It's $14.95. There is a downsell. So if you go to the sales page and you act like you're going to close out of it, oh, I've already done it. So anyways, it's going to give you a pop-up and give you an instant discount. Upsell number 1 is the pro version. I showed you what that is. It's $37. There's a $17 downsell. More secrets hidden in the dark vaults. You're going to get techniques that'll take you up to $1,000 per week or more. Enter if you dare. Upsell number 2, weekly done for you campaigns. That is $197 or a $97 downsell. This does require Commission Gorilla, and if I remember to, I'll put a link down in the description below so you can click on it and go grab Commission Gorilla. And I'm sure if I forget to, there's probably a link inside the members area, so you'll go to it via the link in the members area, and Darrell will get the commission. So anyways, that's how it works. Upsell number 3, the Halloween method reseller rights. You're going to get reseller rights to the Halloween method. You're going to be able to sell it as if it's your own, be able to keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel. Upsell number 4 is learn the hidden secrets of product launching. That is $197. There's a $97 downsell. You're going to be able to watch him go through the whole process of launching a new product, and so you can learn how to do it yourself and launch your own product. Upsell number 5 is the final upsell. It's a VIP package. It's $37. There's a $17 downsell. You're going to get VIP upgrades of all 25 Dawood sites in the MMO niche. Plus, you're going to get to put a banner of your choice in the rotator at all 25 sites on a permanent basis. That is incredible. So you're going to be able to stick an ad banner on those sites permanently. That's forever. And you're going to be able to have that advertisement on all of his sites and get all that traffic. So there you go. These basic steps. These are the steps. Follow these easy steps below if you dare. Watch the short training videos. Learn exactly how it works. Create your irresistible treat for multiple signups and sales. Learn how to mail effectively to your new subscribers, and some of that training is available inside this product, and as well in the Animal Kingdom he has a couple of email marketing trainings in there. You're going to know this industry inside and out after you're done going through all this stuff. It'll take you a while. There is that much stuff. It's going to take you a while to get through it all. So once you've done all that, you just rinse and repeat and get multiple affiliate commissions. So there you go. That's it. These are the bonuses again. Facebook profits. Everything you need to know about making videos. AdWords retargeting tutorial. Bing Ads mastery training. Urgency Suites Pro. Lazy Man's Goldmine. The Loss Code. Fuego Breakout. And then all of those vendor bonuses I showed you on the inside and on the sales page. So isn't that amazing? Tell me that ain't great. That's right, that's right. It's a scream, it's a hoot. You don't want to miss out on that. Alright, so hopefully you've been entertained by this video. The whole point is you're not going to want to miss out. You're going to want to take advantage of this. Click on the link in the description below. Go to this bonus page. Pick up your copy of the Halloween Method before it goes away. This is a limited time offer. You're going to get a crazy amount of stuff. And you're going to be able to give that stuff away and build a monstrous list. Monstrous. So there you go. My name's Darrell Hammond. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Go check out my website. Go ahead and click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on any more of these review videos that I do. And then I'm also going to be posting some how-to stuff, stuff I've learned along the way. Ring that notification bell so you'll get notified when I do post that stuff. Leave a comment if you choose to. Click the like button. I'd appreciate that. And that's it. That's all I got for you. So it's been a blast. It's been a scream. And anyways, that's it. That's all I got for you. You guys have a great day. Enjoy that holiday coming up, Halloween. Everybody loves it. This year, like I said, may not be such a blast, but hey, you know, we gotta live the life we got right now. Anyways, that's it. I'll see you later. See ya.